Hello YouTube, this is 3D Shiznet bringing you an unboxing video 2013 Proto Reflex rail. Okay, this is just an unboxing. I ordered a gun and a few other things. This is not a review. I'm going tomorrow, so that's when I'll do the review. So let me open this real quick. Alright, now that the box is open, sorry I had to pause it there. I had to do it with one hand, only hold the camera with one hand. So I bought three things. I got the Proto pod pack. Set this right there. Came with the Proto hoppers. Right there. Got a die rotor, 2012, and then the gun itself. Alright, so we got this out of the box. Sorry, my table's a little bit unsteady, the camera might fall. Take this out. Alright, so I gave it a little complimentary sticker here. Alright, so here we have a little cover. It's all the guns on here. I got that one. Onto the gun itself. So when you first open it up, pretty much like all these, you'll see your barrel. Two-piece barrel, 14-inch. Okay. Cool little thing. And I'm gonna give you Allen key set. Okay. See that? Doesn't come on a little holder, but you have your die lube, okay, die slick lube, sorry, and you have the marker, give you a cheap little barrel cover, full color manual, always nice, warranty. Colored O-rings, just for those who don't really know what O-rings go on which parts. Little packaging thing. Battery. Yeah, probably won't use this. I got Duracell. Way better. And we have the actual marker itself. So it covers. Very nice color scheme on this. Get this out of the way. It's just an unboxing video. Okay. Now, nice thing about this, the grips, they're kind of bottlenecked like that. Gives you a nice feel to it. Gets your fingers more room to move around. Got these grips right here. Okay. On off ASA. Not tight, soft, put the tank in, boom, air it up. Power button, eyes on, eyes off. Okay, got your eyes monitor to let you know if the eyes are on and off. Clamping feed neck, okay. Put my die rotor on that. Got your eye cover in there, see the orange little thing, okay. Put this together. squeaky. you have this gun, 14-inch barrel, plus I'd say maybe another 10 inches. Looking about, I really don't know how long this gun is, but I know that the barrel is 14 inches. Okay. Pick the camera up here. I can show you everything. Got the gun, 14-inch barrel, feed neck, trigger, really good trigger. If you want to upgrade, you can. Victory regulator. Forgot what this is called. Sorry. On off ASA. Good grips. Got a good feel to it. Going tomorrow, so I'll do another video, just a quick one. Show you what my thoughts about it were. Alright. Well, yeah.